Hey guys, this is making noises on a trumpet. Well, or weird noises, I don't know. So first we have farting. Yeah. Tuba. Oh my gosh, this is stuck. That was so stuck. I think race car. I don't know any other ones. I think violin one. Oh, chicken. A chicken. Elephant. That was still not a chicken. Elephant. It hurts to do. Tiger. I'm not actually doing the noises in the trumpet. I'm just making a noise into the trumpet. I have to fix my trumpet a bit better. Oh no. Just have to tune it for a second. Not tuning my trumpet. I'm kind of fixing it. Oh, that's much better. Person that's trying to make weird noises on the trumpet. Person racing a race car down the track. Yeah. First one. Overtuned guitar saxophone thingamajig. Saxophone. I'm puffing down my cheeks so I can make these noises. It's not because I puff on my cheeks to play. This is me actually playing. So those were a lot of things on trumpet. I don't know if some of them are correct noises. So let's just tune this in. This is what I'm gonna use. Nope. This still looks good. Piano. Okay, here we go. Piano. I have to do this one. Go look at this. Piano is really hard. Overtuned guitar, I guess that I should say. Hold on. Electric guitar. That was so in F4. And so, yeah. Those were a lot of things. A lot of weird noises on the trumpet. I bet you guys didn't know I played trumpet. I want to switch to tuba when I get to middle school band.